Alright, this is the blizzard of the day after Christmas. And this is Star, and Star loves the snow because she's part husky. I'm crazy. I'm going to get soaking wet. Star Dog. And where's the ball? Here it is. And as you can see, they kind of blocked us in. Star's kind of tall and we still can't. There's at least a foot of snow. Okay, Star Dog. Star Dog. Go get it. Star. Yeah, those are bushes. Cars aren't too bad blocked in, but the street blocked us in. They had to come plow us out. Star Dog! She loves it now. Star Dog! Rawr. I am soaking wet now. Where'd the ball go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Woof! Where'd it go? Oh, god damn. Sorry. Here it is! Here it is! Like, literally. She has to dig it out. Like, it's like powder. This would be perfect skiing snow. Maybe I could do that. I'm gonna shovel. I'm gonna turn this off and shovel a little bit. We'll talk to everyone later. Now, you wanna see snowdrift? That's